Magandang hapon mga kaibigan. Latest post dito sa X-World. Sabi dito ni Mega Bowl 2025. Be passionate and bold. Always keep learning. You stop doing useful things if you don't learn. Yan ang sabi ni Monique Dominic after makita ang post ni Mega Magazine mga kaibigan. Queen Kabugera Maymay is one of the attendee dito sa ginawang Mega Ball 2025. Ito po ay sobrang ganda po ng mga kasuotan ng mga pumunta at dumalo sa malaking event na ito. Nandito po si Niana Jose, mga kaibigan, with her look like that. Ayan po si Niana Jose. Si Maymay Entrada is here. Here is G22 mga G22 po sa Mega Ball. Narito si Ms. Christy McGarry. Yan po siya. Yan dyan po talaga ang pa-picture nilang lahat pag dumating sa ball na ito. We also have Jasmine Scalas, mga kaibigan, is here at Mega Ball 2025. Narito din po, ayan, si G22 po yan. Slaying the red carpet. We have Jaren Glorious. Jaren Garcia is here also. Sino pa ba ang ating kilala na narito, mga kaibigan? Jeremy Glenoga is here. Ooh, Niana, we have that already. And sabi dito ng Mega Magazine, Mega Magazine Day 2 of Mega Ball 2025 has arrived and the guests are already grooving to the music. Who are you manifesting to show up at the dance floor tonight? With sheer talent and relentless passion for Filipino representation in global cinema, the acclaimed actress continues to move, shake, and shape the industry on her own terms and her own time. Pinoy awardee Dolly De Leon struck a powerful pose and a sharp tailored silhouette by Sasa Jimenez, mga kaibigan. Filipino Queener, here comes G22. Nakita rin po natin sino to? And sabi dito, Max Holmstrom. With the rest of the nice standout men, embody elegance in motion, blending fashion and form with effortless power. Aba. Kasama rin dito, nakita natin, sino to? Sino yan? Alden Richards. No, this is the husband of Vicky Bello. Hiding ko. Richard Cherez. This, I don't know him. But then yes, they are all in this one big celebration of beauty. We have, who is this? Oh, sorry, I don't know him. Marami pala akong hindi kilala. Sige, Michael Sager is there. Kyle Ichari, Cole Misick, and Mavi Legaspi. Let's see. That one, that is Kyle. That is, I don't know. And this, that's Mavi Legaspi, mga kaibigan. Also, from viral dance floors to red carpet statements, Niana Guerrero proves that when she moves, the world watches. Pinoy Pride Awardee Niana Guerrero wore a custom France Liberian ensemble with complementing jewelry from Tiffany & Co. and Company. Sculptural and sheer, the look was a masterclass in drama and elegance. Of course, Singaporean entrepreneur Max Ismara also is joining the Mega Ball 2025, mga kaibigan. Here and abroad pala ang kanilang mga guests. Of course, ang pinakamagandang Miss Catriona Gray, ayan po siya, ay rumampa sa red carpet ng Mega Ball 2025. And we are seeing, finally, this is Michael Sager. The closer look po, mga kaibigan. And we are looking forward to see more of our kakilala. Chief Filomeno is there. Have a look at that beauty. Ooh, grabe. Grabe ka sexy naman, day. And then, who else is here? Ang sabi dito, humakot ng papuri ang aktres na si Chi Filomeno matapos ipasilip ang kanyang hot at eleganteng black dress sa pagpunta niya sa Mega Ball 2025. Coming to the Mega Ball is Chasey Santos. And then, sino pa ba? Miss Heart Evangelista. Ayan. Ang dalagang, may asawa na pala, Jesus Condero pala. Pinoy Pride awardee Heart Evangelista arrived to Mega Ball in costume Michael Leva. That moved with every step she took. The final touch, her signature stack of Van Cleef and Arpels jewelry and a glittering Judith Labor bag. Ayan po, Miss Heart Evangelista, who says queens don't know how to have a good time because they found Miss Catriona Gray and Chelsea Manalo, Ribonay Nola, Atisa Manalo dancing. Ayan, sige. They are the beauty queens sa Pilipinas, mga kaibigan. Having their good time. Atisa Manalo. And yeah, that's from the Mega Ball. Of course, sino daw ba? Let us know what you think. Mega Ball offbeat ba daw? More energy or on point ang nangyayari? And then yes, the G22 girls served both ethereal looks and mesmerizing dance moves last night. Whose dress would you want to groove in? Wow, Dolly De Leon is there. Mega Ball, we welcome a new rhythm where fashion meets tempo and presence sets the tune. And yes, with every step, every glance, fashion and dance begins its opening act. Let's watch that. Ayan, si Talian, Heart Evangelista. Sino pa ba? Niana Guerrero, the dancer. Who's next? Kilala ko pa ba? Yan, hindi ko na kilala. Ito yung Korean beauty na sinasabi ko. And this one, sorry, I don't know him. I don't know her. Hindi ko rin kilala to. That's from the Mega Ball event. Yes, from scene-stealing suits to sculptural silhouettes. The night opens with motion in high style with this Kyle Cherry. I don't know. Kylian Alcantara is there. The Gutierrez brothers. Sorry, hindi ko sila kilala. That's the next batch. Sino pa ba ang i-feature ni Mega Magazine, mga kaibigan? That is Chi Filomeno in there. And I am looking forward to see Miss Maymay and Talata kasi nga po nakita natin ng isang picture. Pero for now ay wala pa po siyang post dito, Michael Sager. Yes, mga kaibigan, is having a good time. Vince Maristella. Yeah, that's him. Okay. So yan po ang ating pa-update, mga kaibigan. I will bring you more later po dito lang sa ating channel, Alexander Lexter Jules. For now, yan lang po muna. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.